While editing, I realized that the text I had written looked really bad and completely boring, so I deleted the text and typed a new one. After that, I selected this font. Then I went into Animations, searched for Rolling in the Animation search bar, and selected the first one called Annular Rolling. I set it to 2 seconds. After that, I went into the text styles and changed the text color like this. Then I positioned it like this, but it still looked boring and didn't feel good enough. So I thought it would look better if the text came from behind the bottle. To do that, I duplicated the top clip, brought it in as an overlay, and positioned it like this. Then I selected the overlay clip, went into Remove Background, marked the bottle like this, and pressed OK. After that, I selected the overlay clip again, went into Mask, selected the horizontal mask, and adjusted it like this. Next, I selected the overlay clip again, went into Layers, selected the text clip, and pressed Send to Back. Now the text had gone behind the bottle, but it still wasn't showing properly from the front. To fix that, I went back into the mask settings and adjusted it like this. After that, I selected the text, went into tracking, and adjusted it like this. And now your video is ready.